NBA Blacktop 3-point contest. We got Vlade Divac, Darko Milicic, Tyson Chandler, and Shaquille O'Neal, all centers. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to try to hit a perfect round. Let's go. Now here, I'm going to give you some tips. My first tip is try not to use an analog. I prefer using the X button. Helps me, get a much better shot, and try to get it like slightly close to the basketball meter. Here we go. It doesn't matter if you miss. Sometimes it just goes in. So far so good. And always check the time. In the beginning you'll be like, okay, but just make sure you got enough time so you don't run out of time at the end. By the end you should have at least 11 seconds. So far we're perfect with Vlade Divac, mind you, the 90s center for the Lakers. It's awesome to have him. See, some of my shots are not perfect, but it still goes in. So as long as you have it centered, the more centered it is, the chances of it going in is very high. So far, perfect. We got 10 seconds. We could try to push it in. Let's go. Oh, wow. See, you gotta add that. So it's 28. That's gonna be hard to beat. Come on, Darko Milicic. Like same as before, we follow the same tips. Always. This time I'm gonna be watching out for time, so I can at least hit a 30. He's pretty fast. Okay, 6 out of 6, not bad. In 15 seconds though, we gotta speed up. Try to get it faster. See, it wasn't perfect. Oh yeah. I don't know. Sometimes I guess it's there for different players. So I'm guessing he's only gonna get 28, the max. I don't know. Let's see. Let's tie it up with Vlade Divac. Come on, man. It's time for the centers to be 3-point specialists. Oh, I don't think I can make it. Come on. Come on. Ah. So close. It always gets me, the last one, so I'm guessing eliminate time in the beginning. Just hurry up as soon as you can. Get the ball going. 1, go. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm not worried now. I'm not worried. Just try to get it as fast as possible because we missed our opportunities at the end. Oh, messed up. Oh well, 29 I guess. Let's shoot for a 29. Tyson Chandler. Look at that. "21 seconds. We're doing good at time." Okay. 12 seconds, 11, the miss. Oh my god, I can't believe. This is another tip. Money balls. Money balls are much important. They can help you to winning, like the whole, like by at least a point. Look at that. Look at that. See, if I would not have missed that money ball. Got Shaquille O'Neal, man. Come on, let's go. Herfield. Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal is pretty slow. So I'm not putting my money on him anytime. It's pretty good though. His form is perfect, but he can never do this in real life. Just saying. I hope he's not watching this. He's gonna kill me. Perfect so far. Oh, I can't believe that went in. Beautiful. Oh, that's a miss. Oh shit. Good. Good stuff, good stuff. Shaquille O'Neal. I can't believe it's still going. Oh, but we only got 17 seconds. Oh, miss. Let's see, could we do a 29? Nope. 28? Maybe. Tie it up with the Vlade Divac. Nope. Oh, so close, so close. Vlade Divac gets it with a 28. Nice.